From shelf to battlefield, ditch the plastic, command real power. It's not just a tank, it's the Iron Vanguard, forged from alloy, engineered for action, and ready to dominate more than just your desk. First up, highly realistic design with dynamic sound, simulated recoil, and LED lighting that turns every mission into a cinematic showdown. And those alloy tracks? Backed by independent suspension, this beast glides across sand, stone, and backyard battlefields like it's born for war. Now we're talking infinite variable transmission. Smooth, millimeter-level precision, not just forward or back, but every nuance in between. Engage the all-terrain adaptation system with pro-grade suspension and shock absorbers built to take the hits, dish them back, and keep rolling. Target locked, a 35-degree elevation cannon paired with a 320-degree rotating turret. Translation, you control the field, with no blind spots, and you're not just watching from above. This tank comes with a real-time image transmission module, 4K video recording, and night vision sensors. Welcome to your first-person battlefield. Low latency, instant feedback. Every bump, blast, and barrel roll, you feel it. And if that wasn't enough, it spits exhaust like it means business, complete with custom coatings, modular gear, and USB-C recharging for non-stop chaos. Solo op or full-scale multiplayer? Doesn't matter. The Iron Vanguard is your call to action, and the battlefield is wherever you say it is. Follow us to join the community of innovators.